with eyes and hearts aglow. Ding dong, bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time. Yuletide carol choirs, angels in the snow. Chestnuts, open fires, rise from long ago. Hark the herald, all ye faithful, golden days of yore. Listen to the same old songs 1,000 times and more. Ding dong, bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time.
so much.
Sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hair, the wind goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, got it right in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. I know you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. Sounds like a fool 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I want to say, oh baby.
With the fireworks, that's the first That's it.
Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do, I'm so in love with you. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
Sorry. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Don't shit.
Low level. Low level.
Yeah, Happy New Year 2026.
There's snow everywhere from the storm last night. Winter is here. Blue jays are watching the children's play on this bright and wonderful Christmas day. It's so cold outside. We're staying in here by the fireside. I think I can hear far in the distance how sleigh playing on this bright and wonderful Christmas day. It's a wondrous slow golden Christmas day. When the sun gets low, you're still by my side in the afterglow. The warmth from the fire, I love every moment as hours go by. Holding your head in the dying light, it's so wondrous, slow and golden.